No kurobekana kwa rero mu waziri we wizara y'oburendi bw'ime Kipchumba Murkomena nigaenekire buna abantu 355 nigo babikirwe BIARA abwase county ya Nairobi bwato mu baro bwa bange abo bare 150 noyomo geko bwatu ne county ya Kajiado 123 nabo igo county ya Kiambu abare 35 noyomo bonsi babikirwe BIARA nigo barachwikiwa bosi obwekigambiro chinga kyomo waziri Murkomen airaniriye abakenya mbiyemono ase okwenekirwa okwanekirwa gwokorobekana kwa marembe kwabo gokwanekirwa serituko lya rero buneko bwatia.
Generally, I want to say that I commend Kenyans for the peace and going about their business. I also wish to report that no widespread cases of looting, vandalism, skirmishes or injuries were reported in the country in relation to today's demonstrations. This is not only commendable but also testament to the maturity of our politics and governance. While the situation was relatively calm across the country, a few criminal elements attempted to commit diverse crimes in guise of staging peaceful demonstrations. Consequently, a total of 355 arrests were made in connection with the demonstrations. And this is a developing case. It could be more than the 355. Nairobi County accounted for the highest number of arrests, which is 161, followed by Kajiado, 123, and Kiambu, 36. Other arrests were reported in Muranga, 12, Bungoma, 9, Meru, 6, Laikipia, 5, and Machakos, 3. While no arrests were reported from northeastern, Nyanza, and coast regions. They will be brought to court to face various charges of robbery, vandalism, road obstruction, and attempted stealing. It is also unfortunate that the Assistant Chief of Kariti sublocation in Muranga County, one Mr. Anthony Kadungu, sustained injuries following an attack by a group of individuals who were attempting to erect a barricade in Kandara. He was treated at Kunduini Health Center and discharged in fair condition. I commend our security agencies for their commitment and dedication to maintaining law and order. They acted with utmost professionalism and responded promptly to concerns by wananchi. We salute them for their effective organization and meticulous planning. Politicians all over the country, as you know, and you saw them, tried to take advantage of this day, and they went about all over the country from yesterday, the day before, trying to say all Kenyans must come to the streets. And I think they saw it for themselves that Kenyans are tired. They are tired of political rhetoric. Kenyans would love to have such an opportunity when people are doing such commemoration. The most affected people and those who will stand with them in solidarity will not be doing so to milk political capital or to get political capital from it. Those who will want to join them can go to a church service, can do as a protest, a symbolic protest along a particular road, can lay wreaths wherever they want to do so and be facilitated by police officers. I look forward to properly organized demonstrations that respond.